Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. I wanted to do this video for a long time. Annoying sounds, things that trigger people. I don't get triggered very easily at all, not at all. like the what's it called? The like the annoyance uh, okay so there's a chalk it's hard to explain. Um. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying now. So when people scratch and just go all the way down, and then you just hear that screeching noise that people hate. I don't. I don't care. It's not annoying to me, and I'm like very strong about like getting triggered. No, whatever. Like I don't get triggered very easily. It's funny because I don't get triggered, but I get mad very easily. So yeah. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. With I'm sorry if you hate these noises. You just want to punch in the face, but I don't do that. I'm like very tough with that. Uh, hmm. What the heck? No, I do not know how to spell. I'm just gonna put stuff. Get prepared to get annoyed. Oh, green pie. That's not annoying. What? Haha. Right here. Let's see. Oh, shit. Hold on. Pause this. Let's do it around and go.
It makes our favorite music and it keeps us out of danger, but it's so much more than that. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out D News today. I'm Trace. Now listen up. 20 hertz and 20,000 hertz. Anything above or below that we can't hear, but they're still there, because these waves contain energy. And with enough din, you can make these waves do some incredible things. Outside of medical technology like ultrasound, one of the most commonly known ways to make sound do something is by breaking a glass. This works only when the sound wave is at the exact same frequency as the object you're shooting at. If you gently flick a wine glass with your fingernail, you will hear its frequency. Match that tone and turn the volume up, way up to like 11, and that glass will probably break. Also within the range of hearing is sound
Probably don't think this is his.
levitation. This is way cooler than breaking stuff, if you ask me. Also within the range of hearing is sound levitation. This is way cooler than breaking stuff, if you ask me. Sound levitation has been around for years, but until recently, we couldn't do much with the stuff once it was levitated. It just sort of hung there in the air. Thanks to advances at a Swiss university called ETH Zurich, we can not only levitate stuff, but we can move it around, adjusting floating fluids. This works by using the energy in the sound waves. In this apparatus, the energy waves reflect back and forth so quickly they form what's called a standing wave, or a specific point where the energy from the sound can hold an object in midair. Think of it like these silly executive desk toys. The ball in the middle, that's the standing wave. The thing that they just figured out is how to move the stuff once it's levitated. Now they can use this system to manipulate liquids, combining and separating.
Yeah, this is not the stuff. Get out of here. Annoying. PewDiePie? No. Yeah, search. Let's just put forks. I don't know, it's but forks. Is it? It's, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's just put annoying. No. For hold up. Jeez, almost. Oh my god. Ah, man. Ray. Why? ING. Oh, yep, right here. Get ready to get annoyed. Ready? Oh, this I'm very sure if you hate that sound, I don't hate it. It's not like I. It's not annoying to me. It's still annoying to like this. Barely affects me. It like touches me. It doesn't like if it doesn't like just boom, just make me want to punch something. No, it's not like that. It's just like barely. It's like a light tap for me. He only heard me. Alright, let's get that out of the way. Heard enough. What about this one? Oh, that's cool. Whoa, that tapped me. Oh god, get out of here, get out of here. Whew. That, that, that. No, can't explain. Alright, let's see. This is so painful. This is not triggering. I just like slightly tapping. This is not the sound. This is not sound. Okay. Alright, this one's new, I guess. 10 hours challenge. Oh god, that punched me in the face. That's the first one that just like, oh, I just want to punch something in the face. That's the first one. I never get triggered. And I'm not lying. No, I don't want to hear your ears. No. Hold on. Sam. Wait, I can't see. I'm gonna put you in the corner. Oh, I'm quiet. Yeah, there it is. Am I ready? Oh god, what the heck? Alright, let's see this one. You're ready. Yeah, I'm punching you. That's just a firework. This doesn't do nothing. What these are can't no. No, 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 no. Alright, I'm trying to get something that's very annoying. Like that you want to punch something in the face. That tapping, but it's okay. Oh, you guys must be just want to punch something. I just feel it because I saw so many people just doing that and like the challenge. And I'm like, oh god, that's gonna be. Oh, that's cool. I I get distracted too easily. All right, so don't nope. Wait, you already saw. Man, yeah, look, see, bam. Get out here, search. See, I do watch. All right, so how much time do you get? Oh, jeez, we only got like 6 minutes left. All right, let's see. What's annoying sounds? You can put annoying. Okay, just chalk. Okay, hold on. A. I don't know how to spell chalk. Such charcoal. I get here. B-O. This is where you want to rip your ears off. Oh, should I put K instead of D? Okay, so, okay. Okay, ready? Guys, you're gonna be super annoyed. Don't. Just get ready. Bring it in. Get ready. That one's not bad at all. That's nothing. That's like that high pitch scratch.
Longest fingernail scratch on a chalkboard.
Whoa! Does not punch me. It's just, I feel bad for people who. That doesn't do nothing. That does not do nothing. What the heck? No, no. This one. This is where I saw people just like. Ah! He was like. No. This is not bad at all. This one. 1 hour. Oh my god. Why is always 1 hour challenge? That's tough. They're like just I don't know, flick me in the face. That's not that bad. Okay, get out here. Get out here. Go this one. Alright. I'm so sorry if you have to hear this. It's just a challenge. No, it's not. I don't know what this is. Oh my god.
Few noises are as terrible as that one. Let's explore why
Just kidding, I don't care. That is not annoying. Wait, did they say they're gonna make a new one? Be like, get out of here. No. Sorry, nope, you're not here.
Frequency range of the sound and the shape of the ear canal. The human ear canal amplifies frequencies in the 2,000 to 4,000 hertz range, and the acoustic structure of that scraping noise on a chalkboard just happens to be concentrated within that range, ricocheting around your ear canal like a pinball. Sukhbinder Kumar, a neuroscientist at Newcastle University Medical School in the UK, and his colleagues wanted to find out what the emotional landscape of the grating noise looked like in the brain. So they recruited 13 healthy volunteers who underwent functional magnetic resonance imaging while listening to 74 sounds, including the old nail scraping one, rating them on a scale of 1, least unpleasant, to 5, most unpleasant. Researchers witnessed how the auditory part of the brain, which perceives sound, interacts with the amygdala, which processes emotion, and they found that the more unpleasant the sound, the more...
Get out of here. No, like, not that bit of... Oh, snap, my phone charge. Yeah, you're charging. Yeah. Oh wait, so I think this is where we're gonna end that with a good note. Ready? This will make your ears. Yes, your ears will be good. Here it is. Yes. Forgot about it. But it's not. Oh jeez, I forgot about that, and that was gonna. Ooh. Thank you for saving me here. This is mine. My mind was like, oh yeah. I hope you liked this video. Leave a like if you did. I need more subscribers. And yeah. And I'll see you next. Let's see. I should do like an outro. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna. Yeah. Alright. So bye.